From the consumer perspective, when a member comes to you, how does their credit score affect the kind of loan they can get?
The score is going to determine the rate. It does not determine whether you get approved or not. Credit unions do things a little differently. A bank is looking for reasons to turn down a loan. A credit union, because you become a member, we're looking for ways to approve that loan. And your score dictates what that rate will be. Now, there are some qualifications because it'll also tell us how much you can actually borrow. A lot of times when members come in, they get an approval on a loan, they think they can go and buy any vehicle they want because they have that magic number. Let's say 25 grand. But they go out and they're looking at a 15-year-old vehicle with 130,000 miles. That car is not going to qualify for that money. Our lenders are trained to kind of guide them through that process. And if I can reach out to them, I can kind of steer them. Because it's not just their credit score that affects the rate, it's the age of the vehicle that can affect the rate as well. And then there's how long do you need the loan? So there's three things that really affect what that interest rate is going to be. And that's part of my job is to kind of guide our member into that process. Because when they come in to get a pre-approval, that lender doesn't always know what they're going to buy. And so we give them the best number that's there. But as they begin to shop, then my job is to help kind of guide them through that process and help them understand that, okay, this is the car you want. It's older than that rate qualified for, which is not that big of a difference, but I help get that process out of their head before they get upset because the rate has changed. And our lenders are really good about letting the member know this rate is based on this year to this year.
So that's a bit interesting that it's what car that member's looking at, the rate could change or it could stay the same.
Yeah, it could change because of the age, absolutely. And the length of the loan can change because of the age of the vehicle as well.